Hi, first grade. Today we'll be learning about pronouns. A pronoun, do you see how the word noun is in pronoun? A pronoun is a noun in disguise. Disguise means that you're dressing up and trying to be someone else. So here is this noun, and he's actually disguising himself as a pronoun. And all of these words are pronouns. Pronouns take the place of a noun. Okay, do you remember what nouns are? Nouns can be a person, a place, or a thing. Police officer and student, those are both people. So that's a person. Earth and school, those are places. And cow and cupcake, those are both things. Okay, so that's just a quick review on nouns. A noun can be a person, place, or thing. So when we talk about pronouns, we talk about replacing the noun. So if I have the word she, I can use she to replace any girl names, okay? Like Mrs. Camerata is reading, she is reading, okay? I can use the word they to replace the noun children. Children are at the park. They are at the park. Do you see how I'm disguising those nouns? We are listening. Okay, the word we is a pronoun, and it could disguise the word the boys and girls. We are listening. The boys and girls are listening. So we use pronouns in our reading and writing every day. So it's important to be able to recognize a pronoun. Okay, so let's take a look at this chart here. This is an anchor chart on pronouns, and here are some examples of pronouns. We're just going to go through, and in this row, these are all nouns in the red. And in the blue, these are all the pronouns, okay? Remember, in the word pronouns, you have the word noun. So all of the nouns are in red. So if I'm writing a sentence and I say, Mrs. Griffith is hungry, I can disguise this noun, Mrs. Griffith, and I could say, she is hungry. Okay, do you see how I'm replacing Mrs. Griffith with she? Here's the noun dad. Dad is helping me. If I don't want to say dad, because I've used it a couple of times in my writing already, I can say he is helping me. He is the pronoun. Children. The children are playing at the park. Children is the noun. They is the pronoun. I can use the pronoun they to replace the word children. Cat. The cat is hungry. It is hungry. And then teachers. The first grade teachers work together to plan lessons. We can replace teachers. So we work together to plan lessons. Good listening, boys and girls. We're going to watch a quick video, and I want you to pay attention to this video, and it's a catchy little song.